Hello friends. We are glad to see you on our channel. Happy viewing. Lived, the headphones are more powerful than smartphones. The Apple H1 chip, which features the second generation AirPods wireless headphones, is comparable in performance to the Apple A4 processor used in the iPhone 4. Each AirPods 2 has one H1 chip, which makes compact headphones twice as productive as an iPhone 4 smartphone. The impressive performance of the AirPods headphones was found out as a result of the analysis and testing conducted by expert Brian Rumley. Each headset, equipped with a system on the H1 processor, is comparable in terms of computational capabilities with a full-fledged iPhone 4 smartphone and its Apple A4 processor. The size of each H1 chip is only 12 superscript 2. Thanks to him, the AirPods 2 headphones have received increased stability, increased battery life and support for the Hi, Siri team, which allows you to call a voice assistant without pressing buttons. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Always glad to see you.